My name is Gary. I studied digital media. I graduated in 2019. That means I started in 2017. The reason why I chose Raffles was comparing from other universities that was around Raffles. Raffles was different in a certain way that they would push the students and the drive of the students to achieve bigger goals, and they have a standard that they want you to meet, and you have to achieve that standard. And those are there in different universities, but in Raffles, the mentorship of the lecturers are there to guide you as well. Well, in some universities, they don't really give you the mentor, and they would just let you be, okay, this is what you have to do, and the expectation is very low. While in Raffles, the expectation is very high and also achievable for us. And for me, especially, was kind of the drive pushing and also meeting the lecturers, speaking to them, and getting to know what digital media is before I joined. And also, the biggest thing was also what I can do inside Raffles, what doors would open, and what can it guide me through in different perspectives, in different fields, or in digital media field. So it's not a closed book, but it's an open-ending book. And also, I had friends in Raffles, and they gave very good feedbacks. Yeah. So yeah, it's like good feedbacks from my friends, kind of played along. So that open book casket was also helping me in different scenarios. There were a couple memorable moments. The biggest one which was my final project. One of them was regarding a booth which you could stop in different platforms and different tiles, and it shows different animation and different videos in each different tiles. And there was actually a storyline behind every stepping stone that you pressed, and with the stepping stone there was hidden gems, and that hidden gems was kind of the creative push from not only me but also my friends in DMD. We created this together from the programming side, the creative push of animation and also storyline, to make sure the viewers that played it was feeling in the game, because we want them to be a part of it and a part of this project, because it's not only our project, it's also their project. So this project had a lot of demand from our lecturers pushing us to create this idea, and also we kind of spoke to the higher ups in Raffles. They loved it, so they kind of pushed us to create this idea and this concept. So I was a part of the programming team, so I created the whole platform. Kind of stopping A is different type of video will play, then you step B, different video will play. If you step C, different video will play, and platform D will be a different video. And once you step on that platform, it will show you the whole storyline, and you need to reset yourself, then press a different platform for a different answer from the animation questions. And this question was a part of the storyline, and at the end was either who killed the princess, was the king, the queen, or the servant. So that was the whole storyline. That the hidden gem was also kind of displayed, but we were seeing how many people would actually identify that hidden gem and press that hidden gem. So only from thousands of people that played it, only 2 to 5 people actually got the hidden gem, because we actually hit it properly. And also part of my programming skills to hit that hidden gem nicely, so it was not too obvious. And also people's expectation to play the game was like, I want to find that hidden gem. And from completing that game, we had also sponsors that was a part of us, and those sponsors was also delighted when they saw the final product. and different sponsors kind of from that exhibition came to us. Also, aside from our final project, we also achieved different gigs outside our university. So this project kind of helped us to grow as an individual and also as a team for different projects that we want to create. So my current job is I have two startup companies. One is a tech company and the other one is an energy company. So the tech company was kind of related to, all started from Raffles actually. I learned my programming skills in Raffles. It built me up. There was a lecturer named Christo. He pushed me to understand different ways of programming and different languages in programming. So those skills helped me to push myself and understand the mindset of, okay, you can achieve this from programming. What can I achieve? So he pushed me and I went to different university once I graduated from Raffles for software engineering. So I worked also abroad as a software engineer. And once when I left the corporate world, I realized that I wanted to create my own unicorn. So I created this tech company, which is related to data and AI joined together. So this company is called Nusantara International Platform, which is kind of a mix of data intelligence and also visualization. So you can ask questions: why is my shipment late, or what is the cause of this busway route getting hitting traffic all the time? So what ways to improve the routes or improve your delivery sense? And it's not only locked into one sector, but it's open to different sectors and in different industries. So the goal is to put the product out there and for people to use them, and also help corporate worlds. That was actually, when I was working in the corporate, I saw that as a missing piece, because it would take time for that decision or that extra input to come to the table. It would take a couple meetings to just get one answer of what can be implementation to fix a solution, a problem, sorry. And that whole concept of idea was to fix every problem that is given from the data, and also analyze every single scenarios that's possible as well. So it helped me actually quite very strong, because of the expectations from the lecturers were quite high, and all the DMD students in my batch kind of loved it, because we know that the industry is going to be in the same par or even higher, and depending on which field you want to go in. Like, for example, you want to go to the agency route, the expectation is going to be very high. Then if you go to the different type of corporate world, like retail corporate worlds or e-commerce corporate world, so those expectations are there. And those expectations from Raffles kind of built our pathway, and also built us as a person to be strong, and also to face whatever challenges that was in front of us. So it might be very hard for us to achieve. We would try to achieve it. We'd rather try doing it than seeing what it comes back, even though it fails, but at least we know that, okay, this is what it failed on, and let's improve that failures to a positive note. So in the whole concept is the expectation from the lectures kind of built us as a strong, built our mindset to become stronger, and changing us from inside the bubble to leave that bubble and seeing different type of point of views and different perspectives. So once I graduated, it was thinking of what's next, because we had university almost every day. Then after university, we would be doing university work. But once that's all gone, what's actually next? What pushes you to be like, okay, do I want to go to the corporate field, or do I want to open my own type of unicorn? So those decisions will come to you when you graduate. And once you graduate, it's also thinking of, okay, how do I put my name out there as a creative person? So your portfolio needs to be wonderful, and also don't be scared on trying. You can submit your portfolio and your CV to 1 million companies. From that 1 million companies, maybe 1 or 2 will come back to you. And don't see every rejection of every job as a sad thing, or being like, I'm not motivated to reapply, like apply to a different company. Because if that's your type of thing, you will not go far. So keep applying, and 1 company, 2 companies will come back to you, and you will do good in those interviews. And also thinking of, okay, we live in a big metropolitan city, and this city has a lot of empty spaces that can be changed or can be filled. So collaborate with different sectors and different people. The biggest thing is collaboration, because that grows you as a person, and also grows your mindset of being like, okay, when I collab with people, this is how it is. And also collabing with industries are completely different, because they have their needs and wants and also expectation, and you trying to achieve that needs, wants, and expectation. And you cannot put it down low, because like in Raffles, you are always achieving that expectation. Because if you don't achieve the expectation, why would that company rehire you as a freelancer? Or when they have they're in 9-to-5 job, is more of, why should we keep you when your colleague is doing far better job? So you're always not fighting against yourself, but pushing yourself in a better position. So I would advise the current student to think of, what are you creative in? So once you know what you're creative in, once you join, for example, digital media, you know that this is your strong ground, and you build on that strong ground. But also don't be scared to try different things, because once you try the different things, that push of the same thing that you're excited of, that you really like doing, like for me is programming. But when I tried photography and Raffles, or when I tried graphic designing in Raffles, which I was actually never, not really fond of, but never tried it before I started Raffles. But when I started Raffles, that push was there. So I started thinking of designs. So like different type of design flaws in websites, in posters, and not in even posters, but also in the creativity of my own product that I want to build in my module for my final project. So those type of things kind of help us build different mindsets. So don't put a closed mindset, open your mind and think differently, and also accept criticizations, because that will build you. That does not push you down and put you in a box, but it opens you and to think differently. And every input is actually a very good input. And sometimes it can be hard, and you gotta accept it and build on it. Or sometimes it can be very soft and very subtle, and you build on that subtleness. But you should put your expectation high, not low. I would say it would be like the stock market. There is always ups and always downs, but when you're up, you're achieving big goals. And when you're down, your eyes open wide and seeing what are the flaws and how to fix that, and how to cover that negativity with positivity, and changing yourself in different type of things, scenarios. Amazing. No worries.
Needed here.